If you need to forward multiple emails at once in Gmail, then this video is going to save you a ton of time. Instead of opening every message one by one and forwarding them separately, you can bundle them together and send them as attachments in just a few clicks. This is especially useful if you are sharing a thread of conversations, sending proof, or passing along several related emails to one person. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button if this helps, and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account where the emails you want to send are located. Once your inbox loads, you'll see your email list with checkboxes on the left side of each message. This is where the process begins. To forward multiple emails at once, start selecting the messages you want to send. You can click the checkboxes next to each email individually or select several messages in a row depending on what you need. Take a moment here to make sure you've chosen the correct emails because whatever you select is what will be included in the final forwarded email. After you've selected all the emails you want, look at the top of the inbox. You should see the toolbar with several action icons and options. Click the three dots, also called the More menu, at the top. This opens up the additional actions available for the emails you selected. From that menu, click Forward as Attachment. This is the key step that lets Gmail package the selected emails together instead of forwarding just one message at a time. Once you click it, Gmail will open a new Compose window with the emails attached as .eml files. Now you need to enter the recipient email address in the To field. Type in the email of the person you want to receive these messages. If you want, you can also add a short note in the body of the email to explain what you are sending and why. That can be helpful if the recipient needs context before opening the attached emails. Before sending, quickly double-check the attachments and make sure the right emails are included. This is a good habit, especially if you're forwarding sensitive or important information. When everything looks correct, click Send. Gmail will send all of the selected emails together as attachments in one message, making the whole process fast and efficient. And that's it. You've now learned how to forward multiple emails at once in Gmail without wasting time forwarding each one separately. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Gmail tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.